So viewers, today I was telling about how to use stop motion in Instagram stories. For that, we need to go to Instagram account and click on your story, click on your story, and wait for a few seconds and click on your story, click on camera, and here we need to scroll for filters, effects. So here we have a search symbol. Just tap on that and click on search on that, and we need to click stop motion. We need to type stop motion. Now here we have a different types of stop motion filters. So I was clicking on that and I was letting I was now like this you can do the stop motion views videos Instagram account. You can use like that. Thank you.